free to use. Download these God's Eye Shaker loops. I'm gonna give you everything right in today's video. Let's walk through them right after the intro. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now and I'm gonna give you these God's Eye Shaker loops. I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys saying the password is wrong, but guys, I want you to put in your mind, I will never give you something that I'm not willing to give it to you. Alright, for you to use this particular shaker loops, I want you to watch the video to the very end and know the password. This password will pop up whilst you are watching the video. Don't skip the video. And when you know this 4 digits, which is the password, whilst you are extracting it, it will ask you to confirm the password again. So you enter the same password 2 times before you can actually unzip this. Alright, so guys, let's walk through them. Check this one. Alright, all you need to do is to watch the video to know the password to unzip this file. Let's check this. If you don't know how to use shaker loops, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or watch the video that will pop up right after watching this video. This is crazy, guys. Just drag and drop them in your Amapiano or Afrobeat and you are cool to go with. Alright, so this is the agogo. So I'm gonna skip some of them. Let's pick them random. There's about 40 plus shaker loops and it's completely free. All you need to do is to watch the video to know the password to unzip it. Crazy. Whilst you are watching, watch on the screen. The password will pop up. Don't skip any part of the video or else you will miss the password to unzip this file. So never skip the video. This crazy maracas, this maracas. So let's skip some. This crazy. Guys, you heard that? So this is the Arabic rack. Let's check the South American maracas. Watch my video to know how to use shaker loops perfect in your vocals. Watch my video, watch the video that will pop up here, or next after watching this video, next after watching this video. I think if you are going for a piano or Afrobeat, this gonna help you save more time whilst you wanna create your own shakers. Guys, there are so many. All right, so you're gonna this crazy. If you have watched to this part, now you have seen the password on the screen. Just go and extract that and start using it. The name is Godside. Come back for more. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.